We start tonight with a big change in local politics, as City of Salmon Councillor Tim Lavery has announced he will not be seeking re-election. Tim Lavery shared this news on social media, explaining that due to health issues, he will not be on the ballot for the local general election on October 17, 2026. We dive into what this means for the community and the future of local governance as we explore the impact of this decision on Salmon.
Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to hold it with one hand? The PopSocket's Pop Grip gives you a secure grip, works as a phone stand, and even lets you swap the top for a fresh new look. Simple, useful, and perfect for everyday phone use. Click the link in the comments to grab yours on Amazon.
Next up, we shift gears entirely to the high-stakes world of finance and technology with the Earnings Volatility Watch. We look at how the market is reacting to the recent earnings reports, focusing on 7 AI-linked stocks including ARM Holdings, CoreWeave, and AppLovin. Options markets are showing significant movement, with potential post-earnings moves ranging from 10.22% to 14.66% across these volatile stocks. Find out which specific sectors are driving this intense trading action. In business intelligence and the commercial real estate sector, CohnReznick has made a major appointment. They have officially named Brett Long as an assurance partner in their commercial real estate industry practice. Long brings 2 decades of experience from a Big Four firm, having worked with everything from private equity structures to multinational integrated audits for Fortune 500 companies. We examine how this move deepens CohnReznick's bench strength in a rapidly growing market. And finally, we bring you major international defense news as we look at the latest developments concerning Israel. Information agency Ukrainian National News reports on the plans for Israel to arm itself with new F-35 and F-15IA fighter squadrons. This is a significant geopolitical development with major implications for global security. Stay with us to get the full breakdown on these critical defense updates. City of Salmon Councillor Tim Lavery has announced he will not be seeking re-election in the upcoming local general election scheduled for October 17, 2026. Lavery shared the news on social media on Sunday, May 3, citing health issues as the reason for his decision. In his announcement, the 3-term councillor stated that he is unable to commit to another full 4-year term to provide the comprehensive leadership his community requires during uncertain times. He confirmed that he will remain fully engaged with his current council, committees, and regional district responsibilities until the end of his current term. As the election date approaches, Lavery emphasized the importance of fostering good civic governance, stressing the need to be centered on facts, viable options, and measured decision-making. His announcement garnered significant positive feedback from the community. Rona Martin, director of Columbia Shuswap Regional District Area, expressed appreciation, stating, "I have always appreciated your thoughtful approach to the discussion at the table and the tough questions that you were not afraid to ask. It has been a privilege and an honor to work alongside you." Salmon Mayor Alan Harrison also lauded Lavery, noting, "Tim, it has been a privilege to work beside you for the past 12 years. Absolutely one of the very best. You have made a difference." Lavery concluded by thanking Salmon residents for the trust placed in him over the last 12 years in making decisions for the community. The focus of market attention has shifted this week from the recent megacap earnings surge to a more concentrated and volatile group of 7 artificial intelligence-linked stocks, with a combined market capitalization totaling approximately $830 billion. This shift follows last week's massive earnings report, which featured performance led by the 5 Magnificent 7 companies, generating $18.59 trillion in megacap earnings. Options markets are currently pricing in significant post-earnings volatility for these 7 stocks, with expected price movements ranging between 10.22% and 14.66% for companies with market capitalizations exceeding $50 billion reporting between Monday and Friday. The diverse group under scrutiny spans key sectors, including AI cloud infrastructure, semiconductor intellectual property, optical networking, edge security, mobile ad tech, e-commerce, and food delivery. Key names being watched include ARM Holdings, CoreWeave, and AppLovin, all positioned within the AI ecosystem. In broader market context, the S&P 500 Q1 2026 earnings growth tracking stands at 27.1%, marking the highest growth rate since the fourth quarter of 2021, largely driven by the Magnificent Seven. Sector-specific indices are also showing strength, with the SOXX index posting its largest monthly return in 25 years, and the SMH index achieving its best monthly performance since November 2003. Notably, while NVIDIA remains a major player, it was the slowest-moving megacap chipmaker in the basket, with performance being driven more by companies such as Intel, AMD, Micron, and Marvell in the semiconductor space. US-based advisory and accounting firm CohnReznick has appointed Brett Long as an assurance partner within its commercial real estate industry practice. Long joins the firm after accumulating a 2-decade career at a Big Four organization. His extensive background spans numerous facets of the commercial real estate sector, including work with real estate funds, asset managers, and a broad spectrum of commercial real estate clients. Long's expertise encompasses alternative investment businesses, applying fair value accounting to structures such as private equity, fund of funds, and investment advisors. Furthermore, he has successfully led multinational integrated audits for Fortune 500 commercial real estate companies and publicly listed real estate investment trusts. His experience also includes overseeing engagements across multiple foreign jurisdictions, including audits of financial statements prepared under International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS. Ronald Kaplan, CohnReznick advisory partner and commercial real estate industry leader, highlighted the significance of this addition, stating that Long's 2-decade commitment to the Dallas business community and his nuanced expertise significantly deepen the firm's bench strength in the rapidly growing market. This strategic move comes as CohnReznick continues to position itself as a key resource in the growing commercial real estate investment landscape, following the firm's acquisition of Smith Schaefer and Associates in January of this year. Israel is reportedly bolstering its Air Force capabilities by integrating new F-35 and F-15IA fighter squadrons. This development signals a significant enhancement to Israel's aerial defense and strike power, prompting increased scrutiny from regional security analysts. The acquisition and deployment of these advanced platforms are expected to reshape the strategic balance in the region. Further details regarding the timeline and operational integration of these new assets are anticipated in upcoming defense briefings.